Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find that you have an SSD or HDD or NVMe. So how you can figure out that which is installed in your laptop or PC. So in this video, I will show you all these different methods to find out the HDD, SSD or NVMe. Okay, which you have, you can just find out. So before going further, if you have new to this channel, so just click on the subscribe button. Okay, for this you can find the more informative videos in this channel. So let's start. The first step is, okay, go to the task manager. For example, inside the window here, write the task manager, or you can go to the task manager by control shift and delete button. Okay, and go to the performance, and inside the performance, this is the disk. Click on the disk. If I double screen, okay, and here this is the basically the hard disk model. Okay, and below this is showing the type is SSD. Okay, so this is the first method that it shows me that my disk type is SSD. So the second method is inside this window here, write the PowerShell and go to the Windows PowerShell. Okay, here write the command that is get hyphen physical and disk. Press enter, and it shows me I have one disk, that is the model of the disk is Samsung, this one, and it is the type media type is SSD. So you can find here this. Okay, so this is the second method of knowing that whether you have SSD or HDD or NVMe. Okay, NVMe is further basically a latest version of SSD. I will show you in the end that either my SSD is NVMe or not, how you can check this. Okay, so let's move to the third method. The third method is by okay, so inside the here window you can press the window or R or go to the run. Okay, so here write the BFRGUI. Okay, press enter. So this is the optimized driver. Okay, inside the optimized driver here you can see that I have three drives. Okay, and my main and this is the solid state driver SSD. So you can find by using this one also. Okay, so this is the third step, and the fourth, okay, is by using the device manager. Here you can write device manager inside the window and go to the device manager. In this step you can also find that whether your SSD is the latest NVMe, that is non-volatile memory express or not. Okay, so here inside the disk driver, here you can see that my disk driver is this, my Samsung model. Right click on this and go to the properties. Inside the properties, go to the details, and inside the detail here, inside the property, here select the hardware IDs. Here you can see that all my SSD is NVMe. Okay, here you can you find that whether my SSD is NVMe, and that is the latest basically latest version of SSD, that is non-volatile memory express. Okay, that is the latest version of SSD. So my I have installed the latest version of SSD, that is NVMe. Here you can find out how whether your SSD is uh, NVMe or not, or either you have HDD or SSD. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, just go to the video description link, and you can ask your question by two ways. The first way is you can directly message me by going to my website, that is nasirsolve.com, and inside the message section you can directly message me. I will answer your question, or you can either comment inside the video comment section in my website, that is nasirsolve.com, and for by just clicking on the link of specific video. Okay, and inside the comment section you can ask your question, I will answer this. So hope this video will help you a lot. Stay blessed, have a nice day.